All right, everybody, here we are. This is a party of biodiversity. What we have going on here are plants that do really well in interior spaces or places like this that are on the shade. So I want to take you to the selection of plants that we have here. We have Calathea arbifolia. We have the Chinadol plant. We have a collection of different Calatheas. We have, to add some texture and some grass-looking plant, we added the Liriope big blue. And then we have also a beautiful purple queen. They also call it the Wandering Jew. We have also a variety of different ferns. We have the foxtail fern right here and the wart fern. Both of those ferns do tremendously well with when exposed to a lot of sun, but if they're exposed to the shade, they acclimate to the shade and they do really well and thrive in the shade as well. So these are plant specimens that do really well. They add life and infuse all the benefits of nature into this space that otherwise just had a concrete wall.